What's wrong with your pedal?
It broke.
Why?
Why it broke?
Because I was going to bed.
Why you threw your supper on the ground?
Because I'm dumb. And the pedal. The pedal.
Try to stick it back on. Maybe it'll stick back on.
No, it won't.
Oh man.
Come here.
What about your lollipop?
I don't want it.
You want your pedal?
I can't put it back.
Take it to the garage. Maybe we could fix it.
I'm gonna go grab my.
Where are you going? She's not a mechanic.